Lifestyles of the slow and easy, S to the D, San Diego. The sun shines in the 619, my fate rests in the 858. 80 degrees, let the breeze blow by, S to the D.
Add a little oil. We're gonna let that heat up. All right, we got the oil hot and ready. We're gonna go ahead and add the peppers, onions. We're gonna cook these a little bit. I'm gonna start the lobster on this side. This is lobster that we already cut and kind of cut up into little chunks. Once it cooks, it'll firm up a little bit. This is a seasoning that I made. It's just a little mixture of a little bit of everything, kind of like a fajita seasoning. We're gonna season, got a little Old Bay, chili powder. We're gonna season everything with that stuff. A little salt, pepper. You could do it with like fajita seasoning, but I like to use just real spices. A little cumin. Give it a little flip. I want a little crunch to the onions and peppers. That's why I added the lobster a little early. And then to give it a little butter flavor, butter burns, so we add it in another minute or so. We'll add some butter. Just didn't want to burn the butter. Cook out all this water right here. That's what we'll end up doing. Now we've added a little butter. Got it all cooked up. The bell peppers and onions are a little bit crunchy still. It's all butteried up. I'd love to take a little bite right now. Oh, look at this little piece. This little claw. Delicious. Everything's evenly cooked. Looks good. We're gonna set it aside and assemble the burritos here in a minute.
S-D-A, go the best because we say so. I said S-D-A, go. Let them know, let them know, let them know. We rolling Dago, baby. I represent that shit with pride. We rolling Dago, baby. Hardcore, rip it up, standing by my side. We rolling Dago, come on.
All right, we're back. We're warmed the flour tortilla. We threw a little cheese on there. We're gonna move it over to our assembly line. We're gonna lay Jessica's rice in there. Nice little bed of rice. Spread it out over the cheese. Take our lobster mixture that we made with the bell peppers and the onions. We'll slather that on there. I'm gonna take a little guacamole. Spread that out. A little layer. Take the sour cream, a couple dollops, spread it out, and then a little pico, whatever you call it, mixture. I'm gonna roll it up. It's a pretty large burrito. Gotta be, try to get it all in there. Already. Cut it in half just to show you. Look at that. San Diego style California lobster burrito. Amen.
You know we stomped them down. Let them know that you down. We rolling Dago, baby. I represent that shit with pride. We rolling Dago, baby. Hardcore.